Now, last but not least, we have the Aerotrunk Packing Cube. And this right here is my go-to. You can kind of assume or basically tell that I'm a bit biased because this is the one that I use for the longest. And it's because number one, it feels high quality. Like compared to the Bagsmart Packing Cube, which is over here, this one just feels a lot more higher quality, okay? The weight difference is almost minimal, but this does weigh just a tad bit more. But it's still very minimal, okay? It's not gonna like make or break as far as luggage weight goes at the airlines. It does compress. It does have an open mesh material. I don't think, like I mentioned before with the Bagsmart, you don't need this label. Like you can actually see what's inside. However, I'd rather go with the Aerotrunk packing compression packing cube just because it feels higher quality, and with it, it comes in a 2, 4, or 6 pack as well. But definitely check it out for yourself. I'd say the only thing that's missing from this packing cube is a handle. If you're really like picky about that, the Bagsmart packing cube does include a handle up top that you see right over here, but this one here doesn't include a handle, but it definitely feels higher quality.